Okay, I got some mammoth sunflower seeds that I actually had for years. These are over a decade old, so don't know if they're going to germinate. So what I've done is I took them and threw them in this little jar with water and with a little bit of hydrogen peroxide to actually break the shell so that it can actually maybe germinate. And you use hot boiling water and a little hydrogen peroxide. When you do that, that helps them germinate by breaking down the shell. I did this with some asparagus seeds, and I'm waiting for 21 days until they germinate, which is going to be fun. But this is going to be my entry for the mammoth sunflower entry over there at Southern Sown grown sunflower in a pot thing. And I put the link in my community tab, but also just go ahead and put the tag in there. I'll put the tag in there for so you can actually just so they'll know and be able to pull it up about the mammoth sunflower seed contest. So we're going to try to grow a pot. This is not exactly a 5-gallon pot, but I'll use this for now. If I have to, I'll find a 5-gallon pot left over that I haven't already started plants in. So this is going to be fun, and I hope you join Wendy in her little contest of growing mammoth sunflower seeds in a pot. See what you can do with it. Have a great day.